phakathi thina asisazi angithola amahada mawutshela inkinga yini amahada shoot la uyangithola into eyenzakela ngithi meceda ubhola umfika
afike ekugcineni awazi ukuthi isitori sisuka kuphi awanandaba futhi ukuthi sisukaphi isitori.
I get the way.
Yeah.
Sure.
Mzukwane yabo bengiyizikhuthane yabo.
Oh yeah. Interesting.
Kothish
So
bafethu.
ngiyizikhuthane kanjalo legama elithi Troshka ilapho liqala khona nje
Sure.
yabo.
Yeah.
So ngahamba ngalo lelo gama lelo along the way since
Up to today.
yabo.
Yeah.
Namanje ngisahamba ngalo bangazi ngalo vela noma ungathi Troshka hayi bayazi ukuthi hayi. Khuluma ngami angithola. Yeah, lokhu kuhamba isikhathi then ngabona.
Yes. What up, bafethu? Injalo lento leyo. Shukela etiyeni bafethu. We are bringing out some sauce bafethu. Size nenye bafethu. Welcome bafethu. Sanamukela bafethu. On our banging episode bafethu. Nazi, I don't go alone. All the time I'm having you one bafethu. Namhlanje bafethu. Ngiphethe vele bafethu izinja emhlabathini bafethu. Angazi amathini asesenthina thini kanjani bafethu. Hayi mfethu ngizothina uthiyami. Awuyazi uthiyami.
Yo, what's up? I hope you all good bafethu. It's your boy CP again bafethu. Vandag size ngenye njengoba umzwakasho bafethu. Zashisa ke namhlanje bafethu. Bheka, watch yourself la uhamba khona ngoba uzohlangana nenye yangithola. Be careful of who you are bafethu ningasabi. We tuning today bafethu no Troshka bafethu. Awuthethe yase aroundini bafethu ningasabi. You know what I'm saying, but then we're gonna ask him questions, tell us about him and things like that. Bafethu, the lifestyle, dress code and everything like that. Okay, move it on to umzwakhe bafethu.
Yes. Injalo bafethu. We got on some banging episode bafethu namhlanje. Silethe umshiso kuphela bafethu. Siphethe iGotmane laseKasi. Abanye bayamazi, abanye abamazi bazomcava Vandag bafethu. Gotmane uzositshela ngempilo yakhe ukuthi enhle kuGotmane ubani because nina mhlambe lijabulile lapho you are happy to see ukuthi lo muntu ukhona Vandag uzongitshela even more ngempilo yakhe bafethu. Give it up for iGotmane lethu. iGotmane lethu. Nandi Gotmane. Awungazazisa Gotmane lami bakucave fela bangakucava abakucavayo sebayazi ukuthi sowukhona Gotmane.
Yeah.
It's your boy Troshka Chabalala, the real Sagaza. Yekubo.
Yes.
Yo, so bro, tell me, bro, what is the Gubo thing, bro? What is it, Gubo?
Yeah,
Explain
Gubo.
what are you saying, Mauti Gubo?
Like a Pushimora.
Pushimora.
Yekubo.
Oh, you Pushimora.
Yeah, yes.
Hey, cause bro, we're tired of allegedly. So I want to know who are you? Where does Troshka name come from? Because we're hearing you're running a gang, man, young tall. And then moving with Stogo, lifestyle, like we wanna know, bro.
Man, we wanna know. Nani nyazi.
We wanna know, bro, young tall.
Yeah.
Because allegedly it's like Gutiwa, and I hate Gutiwa, young tall, and then you're here and pay to Gutia, yeah, let our people see you, who's this guy, to mengani, young tall. Bangakusab la uhamba khona uyazi ukuthi safe makuhamba wena yangithola everything it's quite like galo nami njengoba ngiblome nawe kanje ngiyacaba ukuthi I'm in your pockets bro safe
yangithola.
Yeah, so tell me about you bro, who are you bro?
File mina igama lami lamampela uThabiso.
Sure.
Mzukwane yabo bengiyizikhuthane yabo.
Oh yeah. Interesting.
Kothish
So
bafethu.
ngiyizikhuthane kanjalo legama elithi Troshka ilapho liqala khona nje.
Sure. Yeah.
So ngahamba ngalo lelo gama lelo along the way since
up to today
yabo.
Yeah.
Namanje ngisahamba ngalo bangazi ngalo vela noma ungathi Troshka hayi bayazi ukuthi hayi. Khuluma ngami angithola. Yeah, lokhu kuhamba isikhathi then ngabona like ngasigcina sengingene kakhulu like isipantuleni ngicina sengithanda isipantula
sure
lapho ngabona khona like ngingatshintsha lifestyle lapha
nalapho abantwana vele bayagcwala ke
Then you talk about the chicks dog.
Obvious labo kumele nje basakazwe nje ayikho indaba yabo.
Oh, so sakazing it means snapping bro.
Besides ukusnap
Sakaza.
like just do it.
Just do it. Sakaza.
Away, I get you, bro. I get you. So, bro, have you been to school in your life?
Yeah.
You've been to school. What grade did you end up to?
School nje
Oh, yeah.
nje nayo nje
Clearly, lifestyle.
Lucy lapho
Danko.
bathi ngihlulwe isikole.
Danko.
Yazi
Yeah. Bema kunthini internet.
Yeah.
bathi mina ngihlulwe isikole and last time I check mina ngi-19 January
Yeah.
2023 bengizibheke ephepheni.
Dona yami. Yeah.
Mabezwa ngathi bengezwa bathi.
From
Uyangithola?
into esiyinayo le.
Ngiyokuthuka umuntu azongitshela talent ehlule isikole ngithiyo.
So bro, you smoke, bro.
Mina ngismoke hub.
You smoke happy. Hey, producers, hey, you should get a hubby for us. Yeah.
Hardly,
What's a
guys.
hubby?
Yeah. Hardly
Yeah.
session. Kumane zishe vele.
Yeah.
Because vele ama-rumors maningi kuyovunduka ama-rumors ukuthi ngibhemane ama-crystal.
Yeah.
What was
Yeah,
happening in
rumors.
that
What was
moment?
happening in that moment?
Shit manje vele mina mina ngumuntu vele osiphilelayo.
Nabantu.
Yeah.
Vele ngigethwe yangithola.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe babone khona umuntu ebengihamba naye or kanjani
Yeah,
yangithola.
wenza right.
Then sebazongicabangela nami izinto ezinjalo kanti hayi khululeka.
Yeah, man, because you don't look like a person.
Yeah, of course.
Fresh,
Yeah.
you dog. Big is
Yeah.
smart, big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ijankhu uyalibona man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fair.
Yeah,
From
mina
afar.
ngibona smart pantsula.
Yeah.
From Skotane to Pantsula.
Uyangithola.
Which culture you go?
Mamela shit manje sengi-Italian pantsula.
Ah,
Italian Pantsula. Yo.
You have that. You got that. Danko kubo ke akuthami kanjalo. So bro, have you like been in gang
Yeah.
members and gang things?
Iqalaphi
Iqalaphi.
vele? Isukaphi lento yama-gang?
Okay.
Like, or do you have a gang,
Yeah.
a crew that you are running?
Yeah, I call.
Iqalaphi as umzwakhe akubuza ukuthi where does it
Isukaphi?
start? Isukaphi?
Okay. So, ne. Ezamajita sekasi ne.
Sure.
Asithi obvious. Singamajita sinokuhlanganisa ukuthini mhlambe sine-taste efanayo.
Sure.
Uyipantsula ngiyipantsula.
Sure.
Uyipantsula sihlangane.
Sure.
Into eyi-one
Singamapantsula.
Singamapantsula.
shit manje soze sesihlangene kanje sesoyenzani like automatically like
Sesiphile into eyi-one.
sesiyi-brotherhood.
Sure.
Ngithola sesiyi-brotherhood. Then
Yeah.
lapho-ke sokuzo-involve-ke if ever kuyenzeka ngithola. No, but not in all cases.
Yeah,
But
sure.
kunokwenza ukuthi zivuleke ukuthini asenzeni i-scheme or something ngithola sisibize ngani.
Oh, yeah.
Ngithola into ezinjalo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So if you don't mind telling me, what is your gang name? Nidume ngani? and another
15 niggas.
15 niggas.
50.
15 niggas.
Yekubo.
Oh, as I
Yeah,
see, because
yeah,
you go
yeah.
with your bros there.
Yeah,
And
yes,
those are so you
everywhere.
always with your bros
Yeah,
at all times.
Yeah.
So the gang yenu it's 50 niggas.
Sure.
Meaning
Shoot my like ngithola. Lelo gama leli like obviously simotivate ubani Tupac from Mzukwane ngithola.
shout out to Shakur.
Shout out to Tupac Shakur wherever you are out here.
Yeah. Umuntu osimotivate ngale gama vele no music wakhe yabona ukhuluma into eziningi. Ngithola most of music wakhe vele like
You can relate.
ngiyamthola.
Inspiration.
Like udlulisa umlayezo
yeah,
ngithola
yeah.
like yakumotivate umuntu momlalela like nawe ngaphakathi uyahlanzeka
Yeah.
yeah so laphuma ke lapha yabo
Okay, laba kwaba 15 niggas.
15 niggas since vele silokhu siqhuba nge-15 niggas
So ngiyabaya vele if
Yeah.
You are more than 50, Crenshaw.
15 ncane
Yo.
if I mess with you now, Yash, I'm dead.
Sophie
Sophie!
Sophie
Yeah.
Which is good, but then you don't do bad things, right? You don't do things. You're just protecting your hood, Nabantu benu and your chicks, and you're living the lifestyle as you.
So like if like umuntu uyeza athi ubanjwe inkunzi ama 15 niggas, is it like true? Cause vele uwe kufanele uwazi ukuthi khona yini efikile kanjani.
Sure. Ayechekene leyo amanga ke le thina inkunzayo
Anibanga.
Sibanga.
Yeah. As I asked, which in
Yeah, but vele angeke ngizenze i-saint angithola.
Sure,
Yeah, inkunzi
for a
yona
fact.
ngiyengayibamba angithola.
For a fact,
But
bro.
now like
You change.
hayi
It's not a
seyenze
good
into
thing.
leyo angithola. No
Yeah.
nje sisiphuthela nje i-content nje angithola.
Yeah,
Hayi nje sinabantu
abantwana.
babantu nje.
Sure.
Noma sifikile endaweni nje bayazi nabantu yekubo
Yeah,
uyangithola.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
sesikhona ngithi phela mina
Oh,
ukubonakala.
so it was said ukuthi if a person ubanjwa inkunzi, then they come to report. Are you the boss of the gang?
Hayi asina
And
boss.
boss.
Hayi.
Or you all equal,
Yeah.
which is a good thing, man.
Yeah,
Which is a good thing.
abobhuti bami labantu laba.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
But
Brothers
the
from another
brotherhood,
mother. It's a
Angithola,
brotherhood.
yeah,
Yeah.
ngabathatha
Abantu
njengabobhuti
yeah,
bami.
True.
Angithola.
fair. Or for in anything, if something happens to them, you all stand up for that person. Which as in, we go for whoever who went for that bro.
Injalo.
Yeah.
So
It's a
like
good thing.
ngiyakuthola Khotmane. So like mina I wanna know. So you are having a gang. It's
Sure.
called 50.
Sure.
So kuyenzeka kanjani ukuthi like i-50 is still standing?
Sure.
Cause ngiyazi ukuthi ama-enemy ayohleza khona.
Sure.
Nanoma wena ungafuni ukuya kubo but bona bazoziletha
Sure.
eventually.
Yeah.
So like ima kanjani yini into e-stand up isa like i-50 ukuthi ime
Like ngiseyi inkani.
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 Nokuba brave nokusithemba.
Sure,
Ngiyakuthola nokuhlala smart, focus.
Sure.
Ngiyakuthola because every day vele sibhekana ney'nkinga ezifanayo, izitha nanani
Sure.
ngiyakuthola. Yona into like yohlezi khona ngendlela engibona izinto zenzeka ngakhona yabo.
Yeah.
Like izitha zohlezi zikhona whether uyathanda or
Awuthandi.
awuthandi.
Yeah.
Izohlezi khona.
So do you have such enemies with like these are my enemies and I don't have to go in that hood. I don't
Yeah,
have to
obazi
step,
ukuthi
obazi,
lava
these are the
vele,
enemies.
yeah.
This gang,
Yeah.
this gang.
Ayingifuni.
Ayingifuni
Yeah.
gang eso.
Yeah.
Ikhona like
Ikhona.
into enjalo.
Yeah.
Ikhona.
No.
Ikhona.
Is it a good thing to you, bro? To live
Obvious.
to be like that. To like I should have enemies.
It's not
wherever
a
I go.
good thing.
It's not a
yabo.
good thing.
Yeah, but it's no sesiphothwa yini situation.
Situation.
Ngiyakuthola.
Okay.
Yeah, vayindaba zama-beef nani nani.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
kunama beef ngaphakathi.
Kuningi nje.
Ama beef abantwana bafethu.
Kanti
Ah,
beef
like
one. What's the
What is
beef
it that
about?
it's beefing, bro?
Yabo, Chitmash, le ndaba le kahle kahle. Like intambende yabo. Into esuka nini? Mzukwana.
Yeah.
Even though nami like ngingakabi part of gangs yabo nami
Oh,
but into
yeah.
like besiyibona yangithola.
Yeah.
So thina sikhula nada ranks ukuthini
Vele.
okay khona abanye amongst us abafela ukuthini wena ubhuti wakho ubani
And the wayenza into
wayenza
eso.
into esona bekangazwani nobani
yeah,
yangithola.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
izono
yeah.
zabantu abadala
Since-
zwela
Yes,
kithi.
shaya.
As you remember, Proms, like as who's that guy who came last? Umbatha.
Thithimbatha.
Yeah, who told us
Yeah.
it started by him.
Yeah.
So now I get the point.
Ukuthi njoba isuswe kumbatha,
Umbatha,
it can be ukuthi
iyaqhubekela,
njobe
yeah,
ifika la.
Yeah.
It can be
Yeah.
part of him.
Part of
there.
him. Yeah.
Aish.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see what you're getting.
Because
What
phela
you're
thina
saying,
sikhule
bro.
sibona bona bombathe
Bagijima bagishimisana. Yeah.
Oh, I get that point.
But
So what my
manje sabe isikhathi
motivation?
sabo sashaya yabo sesilingathi manje.
Isikhathi sama-2000.
It's got some and it's different.
Yeah, now it's going down,
different,
guys.
it's
Nani
different.
nazwela umshiso kuphela Vandag bafethu.
Yeah.
Ayikho enye bafethu. Nani you will keep the subscribe bafethu ngoba Vandag isiphethe i-time alekasi bafethu. Most of the people isiyazwa ku Facebook bayakhuluma rumors there and there. But siyazi ukuthi la ku Roaming Podcast we are unfiltered.
Yeah,
Khethi
we
bafethu.
unfiltered, bro.
Ukuthi ubani wakabani, you want to be part of us. Asinandaba bafethu. But nami ngisasho ukuthi wherever you are, nami ngizwile basho ukuthi sakaza.
Yes, sakaza.
Wherever you are nawe, sakaza lapho nge-like bafethu.
Sakaza.
Akekho ozothini because iHotman lami ngisaplomenalo. Ngisafuna ukucava more.
Yeah, we
as
still,
much
we
as
still
now
have more
ukucava
guys
more.
to know Bafethu. And as I hope you tuned, bro. And for now, bro, don't forget to subscribe, Bafethu. Splomeno Tabiso Bafethu, our man himself is going with the gang at Bafethu. And we still got questions that we have to ask Bafethu. Because I'm motivated by Amati Bafethu. I want to ask where it started. I'm motivated by his dad. I'm told it Bafethu. So if you don't mind, Bafethu, can I have one of you all, Bafethu, and come through, Bafethu? And then this was Kazela, I'm told good, yeah. Yeah, you can motivate her like to wear these big earrings and things like that. Young Tola.
Puma.
Young Tola. Don't be scared. You can come through, Makai. Young Tola. Pia, it's just rolling, my bro. Sondela. Ngasondela bafethu, ngasondela. So it's, yeah, so
Culture shit.
Away.
Can you
bro.
see, guys? Can you see this?
Yeah,
How
yeah,
big it
yeah,
is?
yeah.
How big it is,
Yeah,
dog?
Yeah.
How big it is, dog?
Sure,
It's
bro.
going
Oh,
down.
what is your name, bro?
Aminika mafede ngontokozo yabo.
Ntokozo, Cham. Away.
SG10 fede mina bangibiza ngoshare.
Moshe. Away. Alright, nice to know you, bro. So tell me, Buffett. I see in Shire, Bobby's on my 9 to 5, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm a 9 to 5, and
Kaskepe.
come here. What is this? Escape.
Escape.
So, the culture, like, in a meaning, like, let's say,
Yeah, which like
Kola under
Pantsu.
culture pantsu.
Culture Pantsu. Oh, yeah. Okay, I see. So, bro, one is when they see you like this, they go mad, ne?
Yo kakhulu.
They go mad.
Mina vele ngakhayilela izinto lezi vele ngathi vele zibadona.
Yeah.
Yes,
Ngathi
Wow, when I said you what should you share easy then?
yeah.
balula.
Asekho
Hayi, we should get a hand, man. We should get a hand. Masingatholi hand nje no city. Phezu kwakhe man.
Hayi, asekho nesidingo sokushela bayaziletha.
Bayaziletha.
Manje.
Yeah. Away, bafethu tokena abafethu kusazoba mnandi la
Yes,
studio.
sakaza.
Away, nice to know you, bro. Nice to know. Thank you for tuning in, bafethu. Ne.
Yes, it's going down, Bafetu. There's a lot to ask you, Bafetu. Spetama 50, Bafetu. They say something about Impata. They say something about the. We can't call that on the camera, Bafetu, because Bafetu. So we want to know, Bafetu, Guti, Nina Makaya, how do you feel, Uguti, 50 Kakona, like, because there's a lot in Funugwazi, Bafetu, as much as Naming Funugwazi, because they are saying they are a gang. So much I want to know what a gang in how many losing, how many wins. Because my gang, it's difficult to party. We maintain it a lot. We want to know Buffett. Like we maintain a ganjan Buffett gang. We win, you lose. Like Buffett. How do you feel man losing? How do you feel man winning?
Obvious.
Or you got something, bro. You got an answer, bro. Sunday, look outside.
Guys, it's going down. It's going down. The studio it's going down.
You gotta win. You gotta lose. By the way, Uban Brown.
Mina nguHlulu.
Sure.
Bangicabanga uHlulu.
Away.
Shoot yazi kenzakala.
Sure.
Between win nelose yangithola.
Yeah.
Thina kahle win sicover this, ilose sicover this year.
Yeah.
And nakhona sicover ngezinto ezidizi yangithola.
Sure.
Khona abafethu vele yangithola ngamasina ayenzakele sakhabatheke ema-364 yangithola izinto ezinjalo. No, kunomphakathi oyangithola phakathi kwalento thina namahada yangithola. Ezinto zebhathi thina asili nabantu ukuthi silwa nabo bavikela umphakathi yangithola. Ngoba no bayahluleka. Thina ntanga sinesibindi yangithola. Into esinayo vele le bayazi nabo yangithola. Isibindi into ekhona vele la ema-50.
Enanisabitwa.
Endebheka thina ndoda ngeke usibone sivanga egroup. Thina ndoda uyazi nayiwe kasi bazokutshela ngithola 1 2 men 3 men. Uyangithola iqinile into esiyenzayo yangithola.
Sure.
Obviously makuza kuba iwin thina sinayo yangithola.
Shuthi clearly kuyiwin.
Shuthi babhalile ababhaya. Kungakho thina sinamayini emabhaka kanje faka. Yangithola. Iyenzwa ile win le. Yangithola. No ilose sithola ngani ngomphakathi namahada yangithola. Ngoba thina esikhathini esibhaya vele nalo yangithola izinto ezibhasicabanga yini amahada ukuthi
and you still you have kids, you got kids, bro.
mina nginayo.
No. But then you're still thinking for your future, and then another thing, criminal record. And ngapha you working guys, ne? Some of you all work in a crew. Have you been to prison? Yeah. When?
Yeah, sure.
All of you've been to prison.
Not like prison.
Yeah. But let's state it like this.
Being arrested, sihlale boma 2 weeks nyana yangithola lapha studies.
So what did you learn? Yini into efundile like that?
Mona la ufunda izinto ezibha lokucala mawungena ngala ucabanga izinto ezibha ukuthi ngaba ngayenzanga ngaba ngekho izinto ezibhayo ngoba la uviyasubhekana namabona sibona ngithola mawuvuka ubhekana nabantu abayi1
So
Uyolala.
you live with a regret.
Oh, yeah,
Sometimes you live with a
Yeah,
regret, but sometimes you don't live with a regret.
ngoba yazi why
Kumele kwenzekani.
sometimes sinabafethu
Mhm.
ababhodile ukuthi siyazi ukuthi abafethu mabazosifela ngaba nathi nathi sibhodile uyangithola
I get that.
no thina sesenzela abafethu phela abafethu mesiphila nabo
Sure, I get
Kabuhlungu.
that. I get that.
Uyangithola?
I get that.
uyangithola izinto ezibhame bakhona abafethu uyangithola no anyeke thina ukuthi abafethu babhodile no kwamele sithethe izinto ezibha sesisicabangela thina
Kuba ngathi
nathi kwamele sicabangele
Yeah.
kwamele sicabangele
Ukuthi
imindeni
laba-
yabo
Yeah.
ukuthi uma ulelo yakhe mina mekakhona mfethu masolanda untando lapha uyasazi
And,
no
and,
ngoba
and
akasekho
another thing, as cops, they're helping these people not to rescue them. They're killing them. Young Tol,
Young Tol.
Ababa. So you're standing up with you rescuing our niggas, Young Tol. See our rescue cause none of them are bafuna ukubamela, mfethu.
Uyangithola?
Young Tol.
Yeah.
I understand ukuthi as a crew you're standing up for each other because if you go to cops will be like, okay, we're gonna deal with that later. As
No,
later
even
ningenelwa amanzi endlini.
even besides awuthi uma ungafika police station wathi it's gang related
Yeah.
amaphoyisa awazingeni
Awazingeni.
azofuna sewazothatha lo ogwazi omunye
Oh, yeah.
afike
yeah, yeah.
ekugcineni awazi ukuthi istory sisuka kuphi awanandaba
Yeah,
futhi ukuthi
yeah.
sisuka istory
I get the way.
Yes. It's
So
just
which is a
like
good
that.
thing. So you lose Nitole after you lost amachita,
Yeah.
which is it's not a good thing to lose amachita, which is a bad thing. And then
So bafethu mina ngicela ukubuza I'm not saying ukuthi I'm causing trouble or so forth so njoba ni scheme sama 50 ama enemies mawanibona nicabangani or bona bacabangani manicabanga
kubo baba
Kubo.
thina ndoda
Ayikho
phela uyangithola
kubo
Asikho nesikhathi
Endoda.
sokucabanga kubo.
endoda thina sikhona ukuranisa boma 100 and something men siyi-10
Siyitshele.
yo.
and
10 men
bazokutshela uyangithola
Yo.
akusinto ukuthi
Asithi
siyikhulu
please.
bazokutshela
bayazi.
ma ungitshela esikhathini esibhayi thina singama-50 asivayi sibhayi
Yeah.
Yabo.
Oh yeah.
Uyangithola?
So mina bengicabanga ukuthi if you are 50 niggas more than 50.
more than
Wow.
50
That's what I
manivela nje
thought.
kumele ngazi ukuthi yibo
uyangithola and ayikanjalo uyangithola sikoyi-50 thina sikobhaya
I feel.
asina siyintwana nje njengoba usibona silwa
nakhona-
nama-hotman
Yeah.
thina siyintwana nje
Bahlangene
Rodi
ngathi,
vele
bahlangene
lezi.
ngathi.
Yeah. thina
Oh.
endoda thina silwa nabantu abahoti ndoda
Oh.
emunaka silwa nabantu abahoti uyangithola sigamba
Yeah.
abantu abahoti
Abaholi.
Yeah.
uyangithola
Yeah. So bro, alone bro, you are Hloni, right?
Yeah.
I heard ukuthi you've been in troublemated. I mean, you've been in a senior community, bro.
Sure.
So I wanna know, like allegedly they're saying that you had a problem with another child or gang, and then you went for that child, and then you fought. I don't know the end of the story. So it ended up ukuthi wena you were part of that scene ukuthi kunabantu ababanjiwe, bashawa, they wanted to be killed and things like that.
Yeah, let's
Yiyo
see.
le scene.
Yeah.
So I wanted to know ukuthi how did you survive? Bro?
because vele itori ziningi
Ziningi.
eziphumayo so at least masiyizwa ngani because we
Vele-
are unfiltered
Faded
How did you survive? What did you learn?
Sure.
I'm sorry.
faded hawo uyangithola njengoba thina meshawa umphakathi vele la umphakathi thina asiwusabi uyangithola amahada uma ngikutshela inkinga yini amahada
You are
shuti la uyangithola into eyenzakela ngithi meceda ubhola umfethu
Oh yeah.
kusasa wakhona ekuseni ithe masiya la uyangithola umphakathi molo kusibhekile ungayenzi next uyangithola ithe makuvela amahada ngoba la obviously kuvela amahada
Sebathathi
uyangithola ithe makuvela obviously siya amajita saba amahada siyaseparate one abanye bayale abanye bayale Amahada.
I understand that. I understand that. And then ngapha you should secure
because
yourself.
vele ma uyibhantula you always suspect
Yeah.
isigebengu
Yeah, I get
and
the
then
point.
uvele thina mesenegama elibi ngalaya
Yeah.
Because nakhona like thina kuthiwa terrorize isikolo
Isikela.
lapha nani yiyo kahle
Yaze yavela nasendabeni.
Yeah.
endabeni
Kuthiwa
yeah.
Which
vele
is
amajita
fake.
vele hlezi sifika
Fake
lapha
news.
ethetha sifike
Angithola.
sikhiphe isigela sibambe
Angithola.
inkunzilana
into engekho
engekho
into engekho nje yonke lento.
no obvious la kulamasini lawa into eyenzakeleyo uyangithola isikhathi sishayiwe sakhabatheka uyangithola
Okay, to cut things short, you dealt with that. Nidile nayo lento le.
yeah
Sekugrand, you know.
no yakho grand uyangithola sizinezitha
Oh,
ngala
ngada kule location.
yeah izitha zethu zingada
Oh, so that's why you always awake, Bafethu.
uyangithola
Stay awake.
Zifihla ngomphakathi.
And
Oh,
even
yeah.
yeah.
I get that.
ekubeni uyangithola zisifihla ngomphakathi izitha uyangithola
Awe bafethu, okay, thank you bafethu for tuning in bafethu. Siyabongela ukunazi bafethu. Yizo besifuna ukuyazi isikhathele yi-allegedly bafethu ukuthi kuthiwa bafethu. Iyo ama-15 years bafethu achile nami Vandag umzwakhe noChispara si-on bafethu. Tune with us kuboma YouTube, yangithola, Facebook sikhona, TikTok sikhona, Insta nakhona siyeza ku-Instagram bafethu. Like and subscribe bafethu si-on bafethu. I'll give it up to umzwakhe bafethu.
Yeah, injalo lento bafethu. We do it every time bafethu. Nawe mangabe ukhona lapha ekhaya, you want to say something bafethu. Mhlambe khona into ongayithandi, khona into ongayizwisisi. Iza la ku Roaming Podcast cause Tina, we are unfiltered as kids. Ukuthi story sithini kanjani? We wanna know from your side. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena ubani wakabani. We don't know ukuthi mhlambe amajita wakaqedi. They want something to say. Bafethu ayikho into enfuna ukuyisho before sivale show. Last thing to say, word of the day ke ngoba manje
Like man
siphuma
siphume endaweni niphuma kanjani?
Masiphume endaweni.
Yeah, like manithi thina siphume endaweni no. Like
Manizwa ngani? Yini abanizwa ngayo?
Manizwa ngani ukuthi sila manje ebese siyaphuma manje. Like signature yini, you understand?
Vele mina into engizokutshela yona thina yabo thina masofika endaweni vele kucaca vele yangithola.
Yeah.
Futhi manje vele thina shangale vibe le ukuthi wonke umuntu uyayithanda.
Uyayithanda.
Yeah.
Ukuthi noma sesithi vele sohamba lapho sobashiya ababhorekile.
Yeah.
Ukuthi vele makufike thina vele yonke into vele yaba on.
So mina yazi ngichazwe yini entweni kubo bafethu. Can you do it for me?
Ithini?
That's the thing I wanted to kubo bafethu one more time. Kubo na ku YouTube bafethu, kubo na ku TikTok bafethu, kubo na ku Facebook bafethu. Si on bafethu until we see each other again bafethu.
Injalo. Thank you.
Let's get away.
Purchase your tracks today.
Proto Beats Production.